for the Abra Weavers as we see a 3 converted by Choi.
And Choi Ignacio, that's his second 3. And Zamboanga with 8 makes from the 2-point zone, 8 makes from the 3-point line.
Way below their normal makes of 20 from the perimeter and 10 from 3.
Luciano, nabitawan ng bola, that's a travel. I read this article recently on Kong JB Bernas. Panoorin muna natin ang play of the game. Brought to you by 1xBet, title sponsor of the MPBL. Your choice, your victory. Feel more game with 1xBet. Yung moving to getting a franchise in the PBA, but kita ko, said a lot about, yung gusto niyang, yung representation of Abra, na the feeling of representing the province, parang hindi mapapantayan eh. Para sa kanila dito sa MPBL, and the ambition and the seriousness of their quest for a championship here.
Yeah, they really feel iba yung I guess yung satisfaction pag regional.
He really feels it.
Yeah. And you get your hometown to be behind you, supporting you.
Absolutely. Free throw of the games brought to you by XU Appliances, sa subok at kompletong appliances brand ng Pilipinas. The Turco returns. And that should be it para kay Carl Brian Cruz.
Major was the slowdown on the key players of Zamboanga early to start the game. Sawat could not come up with anything. Matter of fact, yung second quarter, nung pumasok na si Gabat, doon lang nagsimulang maganda-ganda yung production nila eh.
Will Kinley, the homegrown star, papakitang gilas dito sa dulo ng ating game.
Very steady scorer rin yan para dito sa Abra Weavers. Does not, shy away from open opportunities to take a shot.
Mosqueda fires. That won't go. Agawan sa bola. It will stay with Zamboanga. This is the Gixxer great move of the game, born for greatness.
Yeah, this beautiful move by Raven Gonzalez. Sabi mo nga, parang gwardiya puminis.
Yung mga basic na mga finish na kailangan ng mga guardian.
Kasi siguro kung naglalaro, ham time ang ko dun eh. Ham time lang.
Wala yung mga acrobatic na mga pero yun yung mga basic talaga. And you gotta like that. Ganda ng foundation na laro ni Raven Gonzalez. Duba misses the 3.
And that sequence, he got bumped on the way up, pero pretty much stayed balanced and in control for that float finish.
And Choi Ignacio has 10 points. And this is it. Abra will not make an attempt anymore. 80-60. A turnover.
Yeah. He palmed it. Double talaga.
Ignacio, and rebound, it will go to Abra. 2.7 seconds remaining, and Coach Yong, his former mentors, Bong Ramos and Egay Macaraya, you gotta like what we saw again from the Abra Solid North Weavers, using a strong start and really maintaining that force na nakikita natin, and that we're used to seeing now from them here this season dito sa MPBL.
That's right.
4 in the last 6 games. Abra naman extending their winning streak to 17 games this season, and they are on top of the North once again.